Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and welcome to another haul video. So yes guys, in this haul I'm gonna show you the secret to my glowing skin. Guys, you can see that I'm gonna show you my amazing or my best collection product here in this particular haul. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get started. But before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that there is this great summer sale is live from 2nd May onwards and get up to 50 to 80% off on all the products. Guys, so what are you waiting for? So make sure to watch this video till the end and make sure to go and order all the products that you think that it will best for you as well. Okay, so now starting with our first item. Okay, so now I will take you along with the skincare routine. Okay, the first thing you do when it comes to skincare is cleansing, right? So for cleansing, I have this face wash from Simple. You can see that, guys. Oh my god, this face wash is like so refreshing. As you can see here, it is written here as Simple Refreshing Facial Wash for smooth and fresh skin. Okay, so this face wash, I have been using it for quite some time and I just absolutely love it, and it is for all skin types. Okay, my skin is dry, that's why I'm informing you guys. So this is for all skin types and I just absolutely love it, guys. It has no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. Actually, its original price is 420, okay, but because of this great summer sale, it just cost me 273, and I decided to stock up because like I just absolutely love this one. Okay, so yeah, this is the first item, and I do take my skincare very seriously because I have a dry skin and I don't want to look old soon. Okay, so yes guys, this is the first item. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So the another item that I have with me is this serum right here, guys. It is from Beauty of Jason, and you guys already know Beauty of Jason is on trend these days, and I just absolutely love it. When I say I absolutely love it, I mean it because this is my third packet. Actually मैंने ना वो पहले वाला भी फेंक दिया है. This is my second purchase and which is like almost done, and this is my third purchase. Okay, because Amazon में इतना ज़्यादा सेल था ना, तो इसीलिए इतना ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में था, तो मैंने ये ले लिया guys. ये मेरा ख़त्म भी हो चुका है. I think it will just use 2-3 times and then I'm done with it, and I just got this one. Like I just love this serum. थोड़ा सा high end में है, and again it is for all skin types. You can see that, so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so it has this propolis plus niacinamide, and it help you glow, guys. It help you glow like anything. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me. You can see that it's so good to my skin as well. It feels so good when I apply it, and you know I can figure it out whether it is working or not, right? So that's why I stock this one. I just absolutely love it. Its original price is 1420. आप किसी भी और वेबसाइट में जाओ या ऐप में जाओ, आपको उतना ही पड़ेगा. फिर 1420 अब भी पड़ेगा, but on sale Amazon में it just cost me 920 rupees. Can you believe me? थोड़ा सा high end में है, but I love it. Okay, so another item that I have with me, and I've recently added this particular step in my skincare, is this to use this essence serum. Like it is from Crosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I am a dry skin person, so I give my best to get all the best skincare because I really want to hydrate my skin. Okay, so yeah, this is the one that I have with me. You can see that this is so much on trend, and it is also applicable for all skin types, which is the best part, and it works wonder. This is my, I don't know, 5th 6th bottle, to be honest, guys. Trust me, you can see that I have already used it. You can see that, right? I've already used it so much. It has the skin to stay soothing, and it also helps with dark spots as well, and improves skin vitality. It repairs your skin, it moisturizes your skin. It is like all in one, guys. Trust me. Even if you skip like skincare routine, you must add this one. Like you can use twice a day, like morning, night, both. I use both the times. So yes guys, that's why I just absolutely love it. One of the best skincare products that I've ever used so far. Okay, so yeah, this is another one, and its original price is 1500. Yes guys, 1500, but on sale it just cost me 1000 rupees. Amazon is doing crazy stuff this summer, in this summer sale. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. Okay, so another step that I have with me in the skincare is moisturizing part. Okay, so I love moisturizer, I love to use moisturizer, but recently I came across this thing called emulsion from the Face Shop, and I heard good reviews about it, and I decided to give it a shot. And this is my second bottle, to be honest. It is so tiny, but इतना ज़्यादा product है इसके अंदर ना, आपको बहुत time लग जाएगा finish करने के लिए. Helps your skin to stay moisturized like anything, guys, trust me. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me right here. I just absolutely love it. I love the texture of it, like so good. Okay, its original price is like 1200 and something, but on sale it just cost me 791, and I just absolutely love it. ये थोड़ा सा high end वाला moisturizer है. So now moving towards another which I also love and which is affordable at the same time is like this Mamaearth Chia face moisturizer. Oh my god, I love Chia products. Like it helps to keep your skin so calm and so hydrated and so like moisturized. Like I just absolutely love Chia products, especially from Mamaearth. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. You can see that Mamaearth Chia calming moisturizer. It helps your skin feel so calm and so composed. Like it helps you a lot in many ways. Okay, so this is the one that I have with me. I highly recommend you guys this one as well, and it is made safe certified, it is fragrance free, and it is for dry and sensitive skin. Okay, so if you are oily skin, I suggest you guys not to go with this one. And yeah, it is for healthy skin barrier. Okay, I just love this one as well. And its original price is 399, but on sale it just cost me 266 rupees, and I think in 266 it is a good deal. Okay, so ये थोड़ा सा हाई एंड वाला मॉइस्चराइजर आपके पास आ गया, ये थोड़ा सा बजट फ्रेंडली वाला. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अवर अनदर स्टेप. हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं हमारे अंडर आईज को, द वन विच हेल्प यू लुक यंग एंड एट द सेम टाइम ओल्ड, बिकॉज योर आई स्पीक्स अ लॉट गाइज. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव दिस प्रोडक्ट हियर विथ मी which is from Beauty of Jason. Guys, it is an eye cream, or you can say eye serum. It will help you reduce your dark circles, your wrinkles, and like puffy eyes, like all in one, guys, all in one. I have been using it almost like 2-3 months, and I am like इतना ज़्यादा quantity है कि ये finish हो नहीं रहा है. You can see that, right? ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर वाला ही finish हुआ है, नीचे तो पूरा ही है अभी भी. You can see that, right? I just love it. It works to be honest, guys. It works. But dark circles and especially for wrinkles को ना आपका sleeping cycle ही manage कर सकता है. It will just help you to some extent, but like you know, it is like 50-50 to be honest. Okay, so yes guys, but this product works wonders. Like थोड़ा सा high end में है, but it works wonders. Okay, original price is 1330 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 990, and I think in 990 it is a good deal. So now let's come to the main part of the skincare, which is sunscreen, right? Which is sunscreen. So one that I'm currently obsessed in, Ecologica. You can see that. You can see that, right? It is from Ecologica Illuminate Plus Dewy Sunscreen. It has this wild berries and alpha arbutin, which helps your skin illuminate, hydrates your skin as well. And this SPF 50 PA++++, and it protects your skin from harmful UVA, UVB rays. Okay, and yes guys, it is for all skin types. This is also my personal favorite as well. Like you can see that, right? Okay, so its original price is 599, but it just cost me 299 right now. So yes guys, I decided to stock this one as well, and I think it is helpful for you guys as well, that how I achieve this glowing skin. Yes guys, it's not easy. You need to know your skin type, you have to be very punctual with your skincare, and then you have to choose the right product. But last but not the least, you have to be smart and buy all the products from Amazon, especially when there's this kind of huge sale going on, which is summer sale, which is already live from 2nd of May, and I have already mentioned the differences of the prices. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure to go and check it out. And also let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!